Hello, in this video, I will explain what I understand about this topic. Firstly, it's about paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is we keep the meaning but we change the word. Paraphrasing also means as we expressing a writer's idea in our words but still giving credit to the writers. Also, we can um, include others writer point into our paraphrasing. Paraphrasing also divide to two things. First, voice, and secondly, passive. And then synthesizing. Synthesizing is we combining information to create something new. For example, we read a lot of sources, then we putting the points that have connection to be our own conclusion. Thank you.